I'm spoiled. I mean, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have some boxes to open. How fun is that? As you can see on my counter, I've got a lot going on. I cut out and sewed a little bit this morning, and I've got some more hand sewing to do in a little bit, and I've had dolls arrive just, what was it, Darren, 3 days ago that the 4 came from you? And I didn't know 4 were coming. I was expecting 1, but knowing Darren, I kind of thought 2, 4. He bought me 4. So I took this particular one and I named her Gidget. Look at this stand that Darren made. Y'all have seen the beach stands that Darren makes. Insert a picture of those here, babe, that you make. They're so cute. And I just washed her hair. She's got a little Gidget on there. And so she's standing backwards in her stand because the hair, when it's wet, is extra weight up top. So if you stand them backwards, the extra stick helps. And this is Strawberry with pink hair. And look at the little stand Darren made her. I got to tell you something. I was at J Dolls UK, and she made these little stockings out of socks. I've done stockings a lot of different ways, and this is the most brilliant way I've ever seen. Go watch that. It is, oh gosh, what was the date on that? It was before July 9th in her goth reminder that she made those. Anyway, I made those, threw some shoes on her. She's waiting for her little skirt and top. And then my little dark-haired girl, my little black-haired girl, we're gonna name her Claire. We have been watching Outlander, the show. I absolutely love it. So I named her Claire. This is, we can open it real quick. Darren plays this online game, and they do this little promo there, and it comes, this one's different. He's gotten these before, and there's like 4 oil of Olay, or it used to be oil of Olay, now it's just Olay. Yeah, this one is different. But here's what I like that it comes with. And those of you that have Blythe dolls have already guessed what this could be used for. And a little Blythe case. How cool is Now some people would put their, cosmetics in there. Nah, I'm gonna put a Blythe in there for travel. What a great idea, huh? So that's fun. And then I started to say, before I knew the 4 dolls were coming, I had ordered, well, who knows? I believe this is the doll that I ordered. And I was gonna have her be my water doll. Doll that I take by the water or with the stand-up paddleboard, or Darren's gonna make a little seat like on my bicycle, but for my kayak. She'll sit like in front of me with her legs forward. But after I got the 4, I named this one Gidget. And who is Gidget? Gidget goes to Hawaii, Gidget goes to the beach, Gidget goes. She's a surfer girl in movies, late 50s, early 60s. My sister was older than me, and she used to watch those all the time, and so I did too. Yes, it is. But anyway, I had ordered this doll to be the water doll. I think this doll, yes. And I was gonna name her Meme. M-A-E, M-A-E. Actually, after a tattoo artist on Ink Master. But I liked it because it's kind of like mermaid, or what was it? They just had the big challenge. The camera had died, so I don't know what I said, but her name is going to be Meme, M-A-E, M-A-E, after a tattoo artist from Ink Master. Yes, I am a fan. No, I do not have one tattoo. This is an absolutely beautiful doll. The hair is fantastic. I mean, look at this hair. And it's like aquamarine. Oh my goodness, now what do I do? Which one's gonna be the water doll? Gidget or Meme? Okay, her eyes are so easy to change. It's incredible. There's no big click. It's real quiet. I didn't notice this about the ball jointed Blythe last time they came. I have forgotten to say, they have improved these bodies, and I know you can't hear it, but let me move it slow. They now have a click in them so that they don't come out from under them. I really like these dolls. The articulation is incredible. This was not an expensive doll, and that's why I went ahead and got a water doll. I didn't want anything to happen to one of my others. She is very light complected. I'm still looking for that green haired doll. It's a little bit darker green than this with that darker complexion. Oh, I love this doll. I am very, very pleased. So now I only have a few more coming. I bought some, well, several, for upcoming challenges and collabs, and they are starting to get here. Oh, and I wanted to say, she got here like the other two, the Cruella and Maleficent, in like 2 weeks' time. For our part of the country, oh, unheard of. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.